Welcome to MoneyFlow Labs. Most people think making money online requires technical skills, big investments, or years of experience. But what if I told you there's a simple copy and paste strategy that can earn you your first $1,000 online, even if you're a complete beginner in 2025? In this video, I'll show you step by step how it works, the real platforms you can use, and how to start today. Stick around until the end, because I'll also reveal the biggest mistakes to avoid so you don't waste your time. The first step is choosing the right niche. You want a niche that has demand, pays well, and is beginner-friendly. Some of the best niches in 2025 include finance, like making money, investing, and crypto. Health and fitness is another evergreen choice. And self-development or productivity also works great. Why? Because people are always looking for solutions in these areas. Now comes the fun part: finding content you can legally copy and paste. The secret is something called PLR content. PLR stands for Private Label Rights. These are ebooks, templates, or articles you can use, edit, and even sell as your own. Websites like plr.me, IDPLR, or even free blogs give you ready-made content. Just copy, paste, and repurpose. So where do you paste this content to make money? You actually have multiple options. Blogging, where you post PLR articles with affiliate links. Social media, where you turn articles into Instagram posts or TikToks. YouTube Shorts, where you repurpose PLR tips into 30-second videos. Or even ebooks, where you package PLR into an ebook and sell it on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Here's where the $1,000 comes in. You monetize this content in three main ways. First, affiliate marketing. Add links to Amazon, ClickBank, or Fiverr services and earn commissions. Second, ad revenue. Earn money from YouTube or blog ads. And third, digital products. Sell ebooks or mini courses created from PLR. For example, copy a PLR ebook, rebrand it with Canva, and sell it for $10. Just 100 sales equals $1,000. To hit $1,000 faster, don't rely on just one platform. Repurpose your content everywhere. Post the same content on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Turn articles into videos with AI voiceovers. And use free tools like ChatGPT and Canva to make the content look original. Now, let's talk about the traps beginners fall into. Mistake number one is copy-pasting without customizing. This makes your content look spammy and hurts your credibility. Mistake number two is promoting products nobody wants. Always check if people are actually buying before you promote. And mistake number three is giving up too soon. Remember, consistency is the real secret to making this work. So what's a realistic timeline? Here's the truth. This is not a get-rich-overnight method. For most people, it takes 30 to 60 days of consistent posting to hit their first $1,000. But the beauty is, once you build the system, it's repeatable. You can scale to $2,000, $5,000, or even $10,000 a month by simply copying and pasting more. So there you have it. The exact copy and paste strategy to make your first $1,000 online in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to MoneyFlow Labs, and comment 1000 below if you're ready to start your journey. Let's make this your year to finally build real income online.